Now, next topic is chemical control in plants. Chemical control in plants takes place by means of hormones, and hormones in the plants, they are called phytohormones. Phytohormones are also known as plant growth regulators. Hormones in plants, they are of two types: growth promoters and growth inhibitors. Growth promoter, which help in promoting growth. Four hormones which promote growth in plants, they are auxin, जिब्रेलिन्स, गिबरलिन्स भी कहते हैं कई लोग, गिबरलिन्स, जिब्रेलिन्स, दे आर सेम. थर्ड इज इथाइलिन and fourth is cytokinin. There is one plant hormone which retards growth, which inhibits growth. ये growth करते हैं, ये growth को रोकते हैं, and that is abscisic acid, which is also known as ABA. Now let us see these roles one by one. Auxin. Auxin is a plant hormone which promotes the formation of seedless fruit. Seedless fruit कैसे है देखो, और we can say auxin helps in inducing parthenocarpy. In junior classes you have read that during sexual reproduction a cell from male body and a cell from female body, that is sperm and egg, they fuse to form zygote, and this process is called fertilization. Plants में थोड़ा सा different होता है कि that specialized male cell is called pollen grain, which fuses with again the egg cell and it forms again zygote, and this process is also known as fertilization. So if the zygote is formed, now this zygote it further develops into fruit, embryo and then fruit. For now we can say it will develop into fruit. अगर fertilization ना हो तो क्या होगा कि जो फ्रूट बनेगा दैट विल बी सीडलेस. फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑफ pollen grain with the egg cell, it leads to the formation of zygote which develops into embryo and ultimately it produces seed, and ovary of the flower it gets converted into fruit. तो अगर fertilization होगी तो seed बनेंगे. If the formation of fruit takes place without fertilization, this process is called parthenocarpy. So we can say auxins, they help in formation of seedless fruit. आजकल कितनी वैरायटी आती है जो सीडलेस फ्रूट जो हम कहते हैं केमिकल्स लगा के तैयार किया, दैट इज़ बाय द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ऑक्सिन that the seedless fruits are formed by the process called parthenocarpy, and this is by application of auxin. Second is many auxins, they act as weedicides. They help in removal of weeds. For example, 2,4-D. 2,4-D is name of a chemical which is mainly auxin. It helps in removal of weeds, that is unwanted plants in the field. It promotes, auxins they promote development of female flowers, and they also show apical dominance. Apical dominance का क्या मतलब है? Let us see. Say this is the stem. The tip of the stem, auxin is mainly present in the root tip and the shoot tip. Tip of the stem, it contains auxin. जब तक यहाँ पर ऑक्सिन प्रेजेंट है, इट इनहिबिट्स लेटरल ब्रांचिंग. ये साइड में, अगर ये स्टेम है तो ये जो साइड में ब्रांचेस हैं इनको नहीं आने देगा. कब तक? इफ़ the auxin is present at the tip. अगर हम ये tip को remove कर दें, means the source of auxin is removed, then ये जो है lateral branching means other branches they will be produced. This process is called apical dominance. Apical means at the top, at the tip. Dominance means to dominate. Now auxin shows apical dominance means it inhibits lateral branching. अब जैसे आपने देखा है कि जहाँ फेंसिंग होती है, बाड़ लगी होती है, तो गार्डनर्स क्या करते हैं, वो हमेशा जैसे अगर इतना प्लांट है तो टॉप पे सीजर से अपनी कैंची से जो है टॉप की लीव्स काटते रहते हैं. क्यों? ताकि वो जो बाड़ है जो हमने फेंस लगाई है वो ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर ना ग्रो होती जाए. इट शुड ग्रो द साइडवेज, क्योंकि टॉप काटने से क्या होगा, द लेटरल ब्रांचेस दे आर प्रमोटेड एंड द plant it grows in the sideways direction. Second is gibberellin. Gibberellins they promote in elongation of stem. Stem elongation देखो कितना अच्छा है. अगर हम शुगर केन प्लांट पे अप्लाई करें तो शुगर केन का तो मेन पार्ट ही हम कौन सा खाते हैं, द स्टेम. दिस हेल्प्स इन elongation of stem. In bamboos also. तो it helps in bolting of rosette plant. पहले तो ये देखें रोजेट प्लांट कैसा होता है. ये एक स्टेम, द पॉइंट पार्ट और द पॉइंट ऑन द स्टेम फ्रॉम वेयर अ लीफ और ब्रांच अराइजेस, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड नोड. से this part from where a leaf arises, it is called node, and the distance between two nodes is called internode. ठीक है. अगर एक प्लांट में इंटरनोड हो ही ना, जैसे कि पत्ता गोभी, अगर आप सेंटर से काट के देखो, दिस इज अ लीफ, अगेन अ लीफ, अगेन अ लीफ, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ cabbage, where the leaves they are placed very closely, or we can say there are nodes only on the stem and there is no internode. Such a plant without internode is called rosette plant. अगर हम इस पे सपोज ऐसा कोई प्लांट है रोजेट प्लांट, उस पर जिबरलिन अप्लाई करें तो इट विल help in development of internode. There will be a gap between the leaves. This is called bolting. So gibberellins they help in bolting of rosette plants, and gibberellins they promote development of male flowers. I have drawn these symbols many times. This is the symbol for male and this is the symbol for female.